Hello people, today Simon speaking again. Today I wanted to show you curve modifier, how to use it and how does this work and what you can do with it and within it. And I'm using the latest version of Blender from current year. We need to add to the scene curve. You can also scale this and I also will set approximation because this is important to, I think I will leave up to 5 approximation resolution. And after that we need to select our cube and okay, I will have to delete to show you from the beginning. Curve, we have to assign a modifier curve to object. We need to select picker and to select curve. Actually, this does not look right. We have to move a little bit our object. You can also use this in edit mode and you can click to show results. I will show you now what you can do with it. You can, oh sorry, you can extrude. I believe you can also animate object. But I have to check. You can either animate, but I will have to check if I am able to do other way around, like selecting our curve. I never tried to do like that. You can also modify curve. Actually, the results are quite nice when you work with curve modifier. I will check if I can subdivide my curve. Or actually, I can scale. Okay, I will check local. Shift S cursor to selected. I don't think that I would be able to do that way. You have to disable for a while modifier. I have to check something. Don't worry, you can still edit object. You don't have to do in modifier viewport. You can still turn this on and you will see final results. But I wanted to show you, I'm thinking to add, if this is possible, multi-resolution. I don't know if this will be working or not. I will leave this behind. Actually, this is working great. I just wanted to know if multi-resolution will support curve modifier. I never done that way. I will have to check it. That way, we are able to animate our object. I will check if I can scale. I can still do any modifications. I will check what about if I use handles. At least this is working great. Medium oink. You can still do amazing stuff like deformation. I'm glad that this works without any problems. Unfortunately, Blender for some reasons crashed when I tried to subdivide our multi-resolution object. Sorry people forgot. I will have to report that error because I used multi-resolution modifier above curve modifier. I will have to report to Blender developers that error. But I saved my project and hopefully I can do from the beginning, but if this error comes up again, I will have to report to Blender developers because in the past I reported some strange errors. Probably this has not been reported before when I tried to add it completely different modifiers and modifier curve. When you face any errors, please report any errors because it is important. When you see any strange errors, report a bug because I reported many strange errors which are no longer existing. One of the errors I wanted to show you as fast as possible. One of the important errors which I reported, which is to do with graphics card, is when you are in secondary viewport and Blender could not save a project for some reasons. Okay, I will have to check because I had material and I tried to save and it was stopping me from saving. They fixed that. Please save any errors. See you guys.